Hello guys and welcome back to the garage. Today I am going to just adjust my squish a bit and then we're going to fit a new exhaust and hopefully pop it back into the frame. But as I said, I'm going to start with just adjusting my squish a bit. The head on this 221 kit should be tightened to 18 Newton meters. Okay, the engine is all back together and now it's time for the new exhaust. I've decided to go for a BGM Big Box Sport. Here we have it. So this is the sport version. There is also a touring version, which when I read about it doesn't seem to, then I think I could go on for the C-Pro 3 just as well. But this anyway is the sport version. It has the part number BGM 1011SP2. We can compare this to the C-Pro 2 and we can see there's a significant larger pipe here. Of course the box itself is higher. And then you have this end pipe here. You can remove this if you want a bigger hole here. Yeah, I'm going to try this and see if it gives me a little bit more power than this. But as I said, this should be for highly tuned engines. Mine is mildly tuned. So we'll have to see how it works. But I'm going to put this into place now. As I so many times before mentioned, I like to put these boxes or exhausts in place while having the engine out, because these are no fun to mount. It can be really tricky to get into place, especially this part. Okay, we're done. We got a new clutch, we got a new exhaust. And I'm going to put the rear wheel back into place and then we can pop this back in the frame. Okay, now the bike is back together in one piece again. And well, it's no time to test it now because it's snow outside, so I just have to wait. So I see you in the next one.